Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be healthy, happy, fit and fine. In this video we are going to discuss again the diet chart or the sample menu of the 1-year-old child. This is the series of the videos which I have created for how to start the feeding in the children. In the part 1 we have seen that how we will start the liquid, then the semi-solid, then the solid diet. In the part 2 I have discussed specific foods, when to start the grain, how to start the grain so the child doesn't get food allergies, how much water to be given and how we will introduce the egg in the children. All these things I have discussed in part 2. In the part 3 I have given the diet chart of the 6 month to 1 year of age child. In the part 4 I have discussed the certain queries which I have solved question and answer format. In this video I am going to show you the diet menu or the sample chart of the 1 year onwards age child, how much to give and when to give. I hope this will be useful to you. Watch this video till end, it will be quite useful.
Now we will see the diet menu or the sample menu for 1 year old child. Requirement of 1 year old child is somewhere around 1000 calories. We will discuss few of the basic ideas or the sample menu for the child. Each child is different. The amount diet can vary, but this is just to give you the idea that how we can give the food to the child. So during the servings, 1 cup is equal to somewhere around 200 or 240 ml or gram food. 1 ounce is 30 ml. 1 teaspoon is equal to 5 ml. 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 ml. Now let's see the how we can serve the child. Let's consider first serving, which can be like the breakfast. In the breakfast you can give half cup of cereal or 1 egg. You can add fruits as well as per the seasons and as per the child's liking, like you can give half banana. You can give some berries, 2 to 3, but you always avoid the seeds or remove the seeds. Second serving we can keep as a snack, where you can give 1 slice of the bread or the toast. You can apply some cheese or butter on it. You can keep half cup of curd or the yogurt. You can give half cup of the milk as well. Next serving we can keep it as a lunch. In the lunch you can give 1 or 2 sandwiches. You can apply some butter over it. You can give half cup of vegetables which can be cooked and can be given. You can give 1 half cup milk. Another session of the snack we can consider, where we can give 1 cup of the milk. We can add some fruits here. We can give some cereals also here, around 1 cup diced fruits you can give. Last we can keep as a dinner. In the dinner we can keep 2 to 3 ounce vegetables, cooked vegetables, green leafy vegetables you can add. Half cup you can give vegetables, half cup you can give the fruits, half cup you can put rice, potato, and half cup you can give the milk as well. So as per the baby's liking and disliking, you can change, like the cereals you can add multiple cereals, fruits you can add multiple here as per the baby's liking and the season. Some of the food are the staple food, like the rice. You can add the rice maybe 2 to 3 times in his diet. Just like the potato, you can add the sweet potato also, avocado also. So based on the baby's liking and disliking, you can make the changes. You have to again recheck that how the baby is growing. If baby is not growing well, then maybe amount you have to increase, or maybe some of the food you can make it calorie dense by adding some oil in the diet. Thank you.
I'm sure this video must be useful to you, and if you find it is useful, press the like button, share with your friends, share with the new mothers so that they know that how they can start the food in the children. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe as well. Thank you very much.